Hello friend, today we are going to download Visual Code Studio in our Windows machine. Without further delay, let's start. First of all, you have to open your any favorite browser and then search for Visual Code Studio and hit enter. And after that, just click on your first link and here just find for your machine and click download the file. It will start downloading. Okay. After that, just double click on this file, downloaded file, and then it will start downloading. Just do accept and click on next, and then just click on next, click on next, click on just create. If you want to create a desktop icon, then just click, and after that click on next, and then just install. It will take some time. After that it will install in your machine. Similarly, you can download this in your MacBook and in your Linux operating system. Okay. After installation, click on finish, and after installing it, open our VS Code. Just close all the file and Windows. Because I already downloaded, that's why this file is open. If in your case it is not, it show you a welcome page. This is how you can download VS Code in your machine. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.